What's going on, guys? Welcome to Invest with a Purpose. Today's video, we're going to be talking about why the market is about to blow up. It's about to absolutely go crazy, and I can tell because we are consolidating in this gray area and we're hitting major key levels, and this is showing great strength on these support levels that we're at right now, and it means that we're about to be going to the moon very soon, baby. So if you guys aren't ready, strap up and get ready for this ride. Before we get into today's Shiba Inu and total market basically recap, I want to let you guys know that down in the description, if you sign up with crypto.com to buy Shiba Inu or any cryptocurrency for that matter, you get $25 if you use my description or use my link down in the description, and I get $25 too. So everybody's winning. Also, we have a new community that just got started on Discord. So also that link is in the description. So if you guys want to join the community and have a place where you can talk about cryptocurrency, stocks, or whatever, if you don't have a place like that at home or friend groups or anything, you have a place to go to talk about cryptocurrencies, stocks, other investments, whatever you guys want to talk about and interact with the community. There's voice channels, there's all different types of things so you can interact with people, and the link is down in the description. And also, for everyone who has gone down there and smashed that like button, subscribe button, and has their notifications turned on, I appreciate you guys so much, and if you haven't done so already, please go down and do so. But let's get right into today's video. So we're gonna hop over to the computer in a moment, and we're gonna go over basically all the cryptocurrencies and how they are set up right now for a huge push. Right now, we know that the overall market is moving together. It's kind of a smaller infant stage right now. Like, we know that cryptocurrency is very young compared to something like the stock market. Once the market gets more mature, each individual cryptocurrency, I think, will have its own pattern, and it won't rely so much on Bitcoin, because right now Bitcoin is the leader, and if the Bitcoin falls, everything falls. I think we'll start to see some individuals start to stand out soon as the market gets more cap in it and as different currencies have more, because right now there's a huge gap. So we've got Bitcoin with a $700 billion market cap and was up high over $1 trillion market cap before this crash. And then we have a huge drop off when it gets to like the top 10 or so, then we're dropping off to like $10 million market cap, $12 million market cap instead of $700 billion market cap. It's insane. So anyhow, or not, I'm sorry, $10 billion market cap, $12 billion market cap, not million. And so it's like much smaller, where we go from like 10 billion or 3 billion or 5 billion all the way up to like 700 billion as Bitcoin. So once other cryptocurrencies start to have more like hundreds and tens of billions of dollars in market cap, we will start to see it kind of have its own route and pattern and whatnot. So now we're over here on TradingView, and we're gonna look at kind of like the key levels and everything that's going on right now. Let's get rid of these drawings here, and we're actually not gonna start, or no, why not? Let's start at Shiba Inu. So we can see that we did have a previous line here that it did recently go below, and that was a little bit concerning because we don't want to see it break these major support levels right here. We just don't want to see that. We want to see it hit and stay at these support levels. Even though it's kind of gone down just a little bit, it hasn't gone down a crazy amount underneath it. It still broke it, and not really a great thing, but it's looking like it's about to take off above it, and our exponential moving averages are crossing over. So when you see these two lines right here, these are EMA lines, also known as estimated moving average. And when the blue line, the bottom line, crosses above the red line, that normally means that we're about to see an uptrend. We can see that it happened multiple times before, and same thing with downtrend. When the blue line goes below, you see a downtrend. When the blue line goes above, you see an uptrend. So hopefully this is the beginning of an uptrend, and we're bouncing off of this support area. Because it's not always perfect. Sometimes it does go a little bit below, a little bit above, like we can see here, went above and stayed above. But down here we see it went below, and hopefully we see it bounce back up. But anyhow, what's really important and what's really intriguing me more than anything else that has to do with Shiba Inu is going to be the fact that Bitcoin is, like I said, like a front runner for the market, right? So if I can click onto this without, well, whatever, we can use this line as a overall midline. And so if we bring this all the way across, and then we also bring this rectangle all the way across. I said rectangle this time. Last time I said freaking square, and everybody crucified me in the comments. But okay, so we have this rectangle here that's showing basically this support resistance box. So on the lower level right here, we see that there's a big support line all the way across at around like 30,000. And then we see this resistance level at around 40,000. Right now, we're kind of in the middle around this midline support level that I have right here, this red line. And we can really see that it's not going down anymore. So I can expect that we're going to see a huge break out of this, and because there's so much bad news that has already happened, and it's just like, what more could go wrong? You know what I mean? Like, knock on wood, I hope that nothing bad happens, but what more could go wrong than what has already happened? There's been so much bad news, all these other things. What more bad news can happen? I hope I'm not jinxing us right now, but I really do think that we've kind of gone through all the bad things, and it's almost like a perfect storm. We've had all this bad news that has brought us all the way down to this bottom point here, and then we will see it continue to go up once the good news and good things revolving crypto starts to come out. We will see that I think maybe Bitcoin will be more efficient. We'll find a better way to use it and things of that nature, like a way, because right now the energy consumption is absolutely insane. So that's what's kind of making crypto have a bad rap, because it's just so much energy. Same thing here. We can see a similar type of style of trend where, here, let's go bottom of the box there, top of the box here, same situation, almost identical, right? And so we have another one here. I'll draw the mid layer. Boom. So mid layer again. So now we have this upper level at 2,800, and we have this bottom level at around like 2,100, and right now we're in the middle at 2,400. And it's looking like we're following another trend. So like if Ethereum is any show of anything, we can see an uptrend here where we have consistently kind of gone up, and hopefully we see a bounce right now, which it looks like it's doing. If we zoom in some, yeah, we can see it looks like it's bouncing right now. So if that blue line starts to cross over, it's already having a big uptrend. The blue line hasn't even crossed yet. If the blue line crosses over and it starts to go up, we could see a new recovery, hopefully, in cryptocurrency as a whole. If Ethereum, because I think that Ethereum might start to take over as that #1 spot due to the fact that it's more efficient. It's not the most efficient. We all know the most efficient is XRP. It's the cheapest, most reliable, fastest method. If we take a look at its current thing, we remove the old drawings. If we take a look here, it looks about the same. You know what I mean? Like we have this level. Obviously, it spiked up, way more than everything else did at the beginning. But we can see the same type of situation where we have a mid layer. It's a little below the mid layer for XRP, but we have this top layer and mid layer here, and right now we're in between and waiting for it to spike up again. Cardano, same situation. Okay, so you see like this breakout of this box that we had previously. I think we'll have a similar thing like that. Like, yeah, we're consolidating right now, and the market looks exactly the same. Like if I move this over here, I didn't change it at all. I'll change the angle a little bit, but it's the same. Same box, same everything, right? And now we're bouncing off. I'm just waiting for it to break out of this box, then we will see new highs, and it'll at least go back to our old highs. It's looking pretty good. Like if you look at it like this versus look at it like, oh, I'm down money, look at these previous highs, it's just not the same anymore, blah, 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 and whine like a little baby, you're just gonna be down bad. But if you look at the overall trend and just see that what the rest of the market is doing and how it looks, I mean, man, it's looking pretty freaking good. Dogecoin, we can take a look here. Why is it not letting me look all the way back on Dogecoin? Let's go to the 2-hour mark. So 2-hour chart here on Dogecoin looks pretty similar. We have this box here that we've been trading between. I don't have all the history for Doge. I'll have to get a different pair, but I don't want to waste any time here. Anyhow, we're trading within this box. I'm sure this box extends way back also, but also we've seen much more highs. So let's just stick to where we are now. Dogecoin has recently spiked, XRP has recently spiked, so it's not going to be quite the same as something like Bitcoin and Ethereum that have been spiked and up for a long time now. But we have the same boxes, and it just looks the same. So now we're at the bottom of these boxes on pretty much every currency. We're at the bottom or mid. So like right here, we're at the bottom/mid. right here we're at the bottom slash mid, like, and really I could tighten up this box some more and bring it up to like right here, and it'll be like towards the bottom. So everything's at the bottom of their boxes, and it looks like we're about to push up to the top. So that's pretty much it for the stuff on the computer. Anyway guys, I just wanted to give you a little breakdown showing what the market's looking like and why I think it's about to completely blow up. If it doesn't go past its previous highs, I think right now we're about to go back up at least to the top of those boxes that I was marking up, and I think we're going to see an overall recovery within the next couple weeks or so, and maybe a full recovery like all the way up to previous highs again within the next few months. But I'm thinking within the next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I think we'll see a recovery at least to the top of those boxes and see some green in the market rather than all this red. So if you guys are ready for all this blood in the market to get out of here, go down in the comments and let me know what you guys are invested in and what you guys want to go up. Anyhow, invest every second of every day with a purpose. Don't forget to click those links in the bios or in the description for crypto.com, where you get some free money, and also the Discord link so you can join the community and be around some positive energy, good vibes, and investing information. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.